Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox. While playing the game, you got a lag or high ping, especially on the Singapore region. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. So you are getting this high ping, it is because you are using Singtel Wi-Fi or internet connection. And this is the major cause behind the high ping. And to fix out this issue, all you have to do is to use Cloudflare VPN. From here, this is the official website. Download its version depending upon the type of Windows or system you have. Like I go ahead and download this Windows version into my system. And one more thing friends, make sure if you are using any other VPN, you must either disable them or uninstall them. After doing so, install this Cloudflare VPN into your system. I have already installed this Cloudflare VPN into my PC, so I'll go ahead and start it. Once it is started, the show or the icon will look like this. Either it is available right in this taskbar by clicking on this up arrow key. You will find the Cloudflare VPN icon. Click on it and it will instantly open. From here, you need to click on the option connect. Wait for a few seconds and it will be connected automatically. Once it is connected, all you have to do is to relaunch your Roblox, and once Roblox is started, the issue of lag or high ping, especially on the Singapore servers, will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.